Hi everybody, hope everybody is doing well. The topic that I have for you guys today is counting by, road counting, and along with that, identifying the amount, the quantifying, right? So we're doing road counting, and along with road counting, we're also quantifying the numbers, and we're quantifying them along with the quantity of the numbers. So how we can do that is we can start an activity with the kids of asking them to count. So what I have over here is we're going to make the kids count to 20, okay? So our SD, which is going to be our stimulus discriminative, is going to be count. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what we're doing is we've asked the kids to count. So they're counting from 1 to 20. And we're prompting them. So we can do like a full verbal prompt, a partial verbal prompt, and so on and so forth. After that, what we're going to do is we can make them count once again, and once they're done with that, then we can start doing puzzles with them, right? So the puzzle pieces that I have for you guys are these ones. These are like really neat puzzle pieces that I got, and they are multi-sensorial puzzle pieces, and they have like texture on them too, so the kid can feel the texture on them too. So it's like one. So now first what you can do is you can separate these pieces out, and you can make the kids identify the numbers. So they can identify the numbers, and the numbers are going to be 1, 2. So you can place 3 numbers in front of them, and you can make them identify the numbers. So you could be like 0.21, 0.22, 0.23, and once they know that, then they can take the number and they can actually fit in with the puzzle. So it's going to be 1 with 1. So that is going to be 1. So 1 is 1 dog, and they can count it, and that is 1 dog. And then they can do a 2 with 2. So that's a bunny, and that's a bunny, right? So they can count 1, 2, but they also have a texture on them, and the kids can feel the texture, and that's a really cool one. Then there is a 3 bears, so they can count 1, 2, 3 bears, and there's a texture on it too, which makes them feel the texture. So it gives a multi-sensorial approach, so they can count the bears. And then there is 4. So 4 cars, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, there's a multi-sensorial approach to that. They can feel that, and that kind of feels really good. And then there are 5 frogs. Count the frogs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they can identify the number, they can count to 5, and they can count the frogs, and then they can match the puzzle. The next one is 6 bananas, and then they can count the bananas, they can touch them for the sensory effect of it. And then 7 shoes, again they can match the puzzle pieces, they can count it, the sensory effect is still there. So they're working on 3 things at the same time. They are identifying the numbers, they are road counting, along with that they're also quantifying it, right? 8 oranges, 9 butterflies, so they can count it at the same time. 10 leaves, 11 buckets, right? So 11 buckets, identifying the number, counting the buckets, and then matching them together. 12 cupcakes, matching them, the puzzle together, so it's visual perception working at the same time, counting them, matching and quantifying the numbers together, as well as road counting. 13 flowers, there's also texture to them, and so on and so forth. 14 strawberries, they can tag the pictures, they can see the multisensorial component of it, they can count them. 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, and 20. So a really cool activity. It's a really cool activity to do with the numbers, and the kids are going to learn how to count, also to do rote counting, also to match the quantity to the numbers. There's a multisensorial approach. They can just, like, you know, touch them, get the tactile feeling of it. They can match the numbers to the quantity, rote count, and also tag the pictures at the same time. So I hope this activity made sense for you guys. I wish you all best of luck. Stay safe and stay healthy.